On today's episode, robot safety in focus as regulations change. Industrial robotics is not only becoming smarter, it's becoming more collaborative, and this new world of humans working alongside robots has forced changes in the rules governing safe operation. A new report from Interact Analysis, written by Samantha Mao, suggests that while the robotics industry broadly supports the latest international safety standard, not every supplier is equally prepared for what's coming next. The updated standard, known as ISO 10218-2025, will form the basis for robot safety under Europe's new machinery regulation. Once fully implemented, manufacturers selling industrial robots into Europe will have to demonstrate compliance to obtain CE marking, making safety certification a requirement for market access. The transition is expected around 2027, although implementation will likely take longer because of current economic pressures. According to the report, the industry's largest global robot manufacturers are generally well prepared, with significant investments in engineering, testing, and certification to meet the new requirements. Smaller and mid-size automation companies, however, are expected to face headwinds, especially newer suppliers, particularly emerging manufacturers from China seeking to expand into Europe. The report notes significant gaps in awareness and readiness, with some companies underestimating both the technical work and the cost required to comply. In the United States, the updated safety standard has been adopted as a voluntary industry standard rather than a legal requirement. Even so, many manufacturers, system integrators, and insurers are expected to require compliance as a condition of doing business. In a significant industrial automation product announcement this week, Atlas Copco has introduced a new software platform designed to simplify the way automated assembly systems are controlled. The company calls it the Common Control Platform, and as the name implies, the goal is straightforward. Instead of operating multiple automation technologies through separate control systems, manufacturers can manage them through one standardized platform. The system is designed to connect a range of assembly processes, including tightening systems, dispensing equipment, material joining, and other automated production tools, using a common user interface and software architecture. The announcement is particularly relevant for the automotive manufacturers, where increasingly complex electric vehicle production demands tighter coordination between many different automated systems. For manufacturers, that could mean faster commissioning, simplified operator training, easier maintenance, and more consistent production across multiple assembly lines. Coming up, this week's Automation Word of the Week, right after this. Delta MS300 compact vector control drives support open-loop control of both induction and permanent magnet motors for application flexibility and include a safe torque-off safety mechanism. Built-in functions include PLC capacity for simple programming, a built-in RS-485 Modbus capability, and multiple communication card options for popular industrial communication protocols. An additional USB port allows fast and easy data uploads and downloads. Units can be installed side by side and feature a removable fan for easy field service. The removable 5-digit LED keypad allows remote operation, and the series is available in standard and high-speed models with integral EMC filtering. Built-in brake choppers and high starting torque allow multiple applications in a space-saving form factor that decreases setup and wiring time. Delta MS300 compact vector control drives are ideal for machine tools, automatic tool changers, pumps, and woodworking, packaging, and textile machines. This week's Industrial Automation Word of the Week is PWM, Pulse Width Modulation. In industrial automation, pulse width modulation is a device control strategy that mimics an analog power signal with a digital power source. It works by turning power on and off for a specified period of time, called the duty cycle. Power on, a high cycle, if on continuously, is said to be operating at 100% duty cycle, delivering full power. If the power is on half the time, the duty cycle is said to be 50%. By adjusting the duration of the on signal, it's possible to smoothly control motors, heaters, and other industrial devices efficiently without energy wasting and heat-inducing linear voltage control strategies using resistors. Pulse width modulation is used in switching power supplies, but it's most commonly used for motor speed control with DC motors. With pulse width modulation, DC motors can have a wide range speed control while still delivering maximum torque during the on phase. PWM, pulse width modulation. That's it for this week's episode of On the Floor. See you next time.